St. Joseph Engineering College is a premier institute affiliated to Vishveshwaraya Technological University, Belagavi. SJEC has been accredited by National Board of Accreditation for 4 of its engineering programs. SJEC invites admissions to BE degree courses under Computer Science and Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, and Mechanical Engineering, which are NBA accredited, along with BE in Civil Engineering. The college is home to associations such as ISTE, SAE India, and Automation and Robotics Club. SJEC has well-qualified staff, state-of-the-art laboratories, and excellent facilities to provide a truly great learning experience. Come and be a part of an institution which stands for values and integrity. Contact St. Joseph Engineering College, Vamanjur, Mangaluru. Telephone 91-824-2263-753 545556.
Hi, this is Pallavi and this is V4 News 24/7. So today we have with us the students of St. Joseph Engineering College. So the college is hosting an event, that is TEDx event. So to know more about this, to brief us more about this, we have with us Mahima and Sumashri. So welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Alright, so let us start by knowing what is TED. So I would like to ask, what is TED?
Hello everyone. So basically TED, the full form of TED is Technology, Entertainment and Design. So this is a non-profitable organization. It helps people from all over the world globally come and share their ideas with all sorts of different people, so that other people can get inspired listening to their ideas, their opinions, their different life experiences. And our college is conducting one of such event.
Okay.
It began in 1984 as a conference initially, and now it is globally known, and all over the world such TEDx talks are being conducted.
So TEDx event attend ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಲಾಭ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಸೊ ಒಟ್ಟು 8 ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾತುಗಾರರು ಟೆಡ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ SJECಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಸಮಾಜಕ್ಕೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರ ಅನುಭವದ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯುಕ್ತವಾದ ಮಾತುಗಳಿಂದ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಥವಾ ಆಲೋಚನೆಯ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಕೋನ ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇಲ್ಯೂರ್ ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಧಿಸಲು ಒಂದು ಛಲ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಈವನ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆನ್ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟೆಡ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್. So by talking to them, I'm sure that they will get an inspiration from them and they will succeed in their life.
Alright, if I have to ask you, usually in this TEDx talks we hold a theme, right? So I just wanted to know, what is the theme you carry this year?
You're right when it comes to that. Every TEDx usually organizes alongside a theme. So our institute, St. Joseph Engineering College, we have chosen the theme Love Conquers All, which is a very beautiful theme. It basically means ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಸಹ ಗೆಲ್ಲಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯದ್ದು ಸಹ ಇರಬಹುದು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕುಟುಂಬ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ದೇಶ ಮೇಲೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕರಿಯರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುವ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಸಹ ಇರಬಹುದು. So the speakers that will be coming to our college, all of them will also be passionately speaking about the things that help them conquer everything with their love for their careers or for the things that they've been doing in their lives.
Alright, ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ?
ನಮ್ಮ ಟೆಡ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ SJECಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತವಾದ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಇವರು ದೇಶದ ವಿವಿಧ ಭಾಗಗಳಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಸುಳ್ಯದವರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಭಾರದ್ವಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಭಾರತದ ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾದ ಪದ್ಮಶ್ರೀ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯಿಂದ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವರು ಕಡಿಮೆ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇತುವೆ ನಿರ್ಮಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸೇತು ಬಂಧು ಅಥವಾ ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎಂದೇ ಹೆಸರುವಾಸಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಮಾತುಗಾರ್ತಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಆರೋಹಿ ಪಂಡಿತ್. ಇವರು ಅಟ್ಲಾಂಟಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರದಾದ್ಯಂತ ಏಕಾಂಗಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಾರಾಟ ನಡೆಸಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟ ಮೊದಲ ಮಹಿಳೆ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನೋರ್ವ ಮಾತುಗಾರ್ತಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕಿ ಹಾಗೂ ವೈಟ್ ಹೌಸ್ NGOದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಕೊರಿನ್ ರಸ್ಕಿನಾ. ಇವರು ಕೂಡ ತಮ್ಮ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So we'll have some other prominent speakers who will enrich their knowledge to us.
All right. So when we say about speakers, usually the Pan India entire we'll be calling the speakers from Pan India, right? So I just wanted to know, is there any local speakers? I mean localites. I mean from the Mangalore that you have invited as a speaker.
Yes, we have a couple of them coming from our own city, Mangalore.
All right.
There is an alumni from our college,
Okay.
Omkar Pai. He's currently not in Bangalore. He is in Bangalore, but we've called him as well.
All right.
Because he's also succeeded in this in his life, and he's gone to a position where he can inspire all of us. So we've called him as well. Other than him, we have
Girish Bharadwaj, like
Alright.
as I've mentioned him, when he's from Sulya.
All right.
Then we have Miss Smita Hegde, like she's from Nitte College.
All right. So basically, there are speakers from here as well. So it's an opportunity for them also. All right. And another thing which I wanted to ask you is that the entire program, will it be only of talks, or is there any performances which is included?
Yeah, so we do have a lot of cultural performances as well. We have dance performances, we have musical performances, and since this time we are hosting it for the first time, we decided we'll give this as a tribute to our lovely state, which is Karnataka. So we'll be organizing a lot of yakshaganas, a Bharatnatyam performance, all the things that as Kannadigas we hold very close to our hearts. And we also have a theatrical play, which is from a theatre performer, which is very unlike a TEDx event. Usually, according to the format of TEDx, we don't have theatre performances, but we're doing a little different take on it, so we're including this as well.
All right. So what is unique about TEDx SJEC? That is, ಹೇಗೆ ಯುನೀಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ನೀವು?
ಸೇಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಟೆಡ್ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಇದೇ ಮೊದಲ ಬಾರಿಗೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾಷಣಕಾರರು ಹಾಗೂ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶಕರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಲು ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಲು ಮತ್ತು ಆನಂದಿಸಲು ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದ ಅವಕಾಶವೆಂದು ನಾವು ಭಾವಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ.
Okay. So what is the price of the ticket and what will it be included? Can you tell us more about this?
Okay, so the price of the ticket as an entry is 1,250 rupees.
All right.
This includes a breakfast, a lunch, and along with all the refreshments that you will get in between performances and the speakers as well. And along with this, you will get an exciting bag of goodies that will include all kinds of different TEDx related merchandises and lovely other goodies. Along with this, you will also get a TEDx participation certificate, which is actually a very important certificate. Not a lot of people are, fortunate enough to get it. So we'll be including that as well.
Okay. So is there any age restriction, basically so and so age, or anybody can be a part of this event?
Not at all. There is no age restriction whatsoever. If you are 8 years old or 80 years old, anybody can participate, and you can be a part of the audience and enjoy all the programs that we put up on stage.
All right. So it's an entire package, right from the talk, inspirational talk, along with the performances. So any age group of people can attend this.
Right.
All right. And what is the procedure of registering for TEDx SJEC, if you could tell us?
Yeah, you can visit our website, that is www.tedxsjec.in, and you can register over there, or else you can visit the Townscript website and there you can search TEDx SJEC and then register. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಭಾನುವಾರ 16ರಂದು ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 9ರಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ 4:04 ತನಕ ಸೇಂಟ್ ಜೋಸೆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ವಾಮಂಜೂರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ. So please do register, guys. I assure you, you will have a great time over there.
So what else is the different or special attraction in the event?
Okay, so aside from all the speakers who will be joining us and enlightening us with their own opinions and topics, we'll have performances, and apart from that, we also have a corridor of love. This is like an open exhibition for all the audience members who will be joining us. So they can see all the different artworks that we put up, and they can enjoy that as well.
So yeah, we have artworks like tribute to Indian women, tribute to our nation, tribute to our animals, like love towards animal, then love towards music. It's like, that's why we have the love everywhere. That's
so
why it's named
our theme Love Conquers All, and we've put that entire theme into artwork form and we've displayed it as an open exhibition.
Okay, sounds really great and beautiful, and definitely we need to attend this exhibition. So what is the price of the ticket and what will it be included?
Okay, so the price of the ticket is only 1,250 rupees. This includes breakfast. As soon as you come, there'll be a breakfast. There'll be a lunch. There'll be refreshments in between all the performances as well. Not only that, but after all the performances have ended, you will also get an exciting bag of goodies that will hold all different kinds of TEDx merchandises and other stuff. Not only this, but you will also get a TEDx certificate, a participation certificate that holds of very good merit as well.
All right. So how was the response so far? I mean, how most of them have registered so far, and how was it, the response?
A lot of people have been registering right and left because this is an event that is very rare, especially in our city, Mangalore.
Exactly.
So as soon as we put out the promotions for this event, a lot of people have been registering so far.
Okay. So we also have, yeah, you can continue.
So we hope more and more people join. So people can spend that money to this, and it's worth watching it.
Exactly.
And the same kind of event, you'd be streaming it online, you'd be watching on YouTube. Instead of that, you can see it face to face, like you're in a theatre watching all the actors speak.
It's like a great opportunity to meet the achievers.
Correct.
We won't get that in our day-to-day life.
And the more people participate in this event, the more of our different colleges in our district will get the motivation to organize such events. And I think it is very important that all of us as a community share such experiences, share such ideas, opinions, so that everybody can get enlightened.
So St. Joseph Engineering College have taken this initiative to organize TEDx SJEC. So I request all of you all to kindly register. Do come on this Feb 16th, the event in St. Joseph Engineering College. So definitely it will be a wonderful experience for each and everyone who be a part of this event. So kindly do register with the mentioned website. Well, so there is no spot registration, so friends, kindly hurry up and grab the tickets as soon as possible, because this is a wonderful opportunity which you will be getting and which you can cherish for your lifetime. So this event will be held at St. Joseph Engineering College, Vamanjur on Feb 16th, which will start at 9 AM. So kindly be a part of this event and enjoy. Thank you so much. For more updates, watch V4 News 24/7.